Hey folks, Eric here from Kelly's Concept. Today we're going to do an unboxing and review of the Ekvanbel headset. It's a headset for your computer. Received this from the company to ask me to do a review on it. So I'm going to give an unbiased review on how I feel about the product, the packaging, and overall usability of this product. So stay tuned and hope you enjoyed the video. So this headset's actually sold on Amazon by the brand name of Ekvanbel, Ekvanbel. It does have 4.3 star rating, Bluetooth headset, V5.3, whatever that means, 1000 milliamp charging case, 96 hour or 96H, I'm not sure what that refers to as talk time. If it is 96 hours, I highly doubt it. Hands-free noise cancellation, headphone with dual mic for computer, cell phone, trucker, home use. Now, I don't know what it's referring to as noise canceling. When I hear noise canceling, it's for myself, but I don't see how you could have noise canceling with one ear. Anyways, those are just my thoughts. So here is where I see there's more misrepresentation. On the second page of the screen, it shows you that it's now a 300-hour standby, 22 hours talk time, and 25 hours music. So that's why I said I really doubt these numbers are specifically incorrect. So I'm just going to leave it at that. All right, welcome back, folks. Here's the headset itself. Pretty standard boxing. Nothing too great. Now again, there's more cardboard. Let's go ahead and open this guy up. Instructions. This reminds me a lot of the Plantronics version that I have already. So it comes with replaceable ear inserts, USB charge cable, seems to be a USB-C connector, and here's the unit itself, charging cradle, headset, and of course your Bluetooth dongle that goes to your computer. No instructions. Oh, it's pretty much self-explanatory. So let me grab my Plantronics. Do a side-by-side comparison. So this is the Plantronics version I have. And this is the Ekvanbel. Taking the earpiece out. Side by side. The Plantronics is a little bit smaller. Alright. Looks like charging cradle, kind of like the, so it looks like this charging cradle, you cannot actually charge it while it's in its resting place like you can with the Plantronics. The Plantronics has the internal charging and also the external, so you can just leave it like this if it's on your desktop. Looks like the Ekvanbel, the only choice you have to recharge it is on the cradle itself, as so. You can see it's starting to charge up. It's at 100%. Does give a readout of the battery life versus the Plantronics does not. I've had this Plantronics unit for at least 5 years. Still running strong. Talk time on my Plantronics is only about 3 hours. Here they claim 96-hour talk time. Of course, I'm not going to sit here and test out the 96 hours, but we'll see how it goes. So when reviewing the headset itself, it sits right around 4¼ inches lengthwise and about 2 inches height-wise. Front of it is the microphone area or microphone array. Then you have your on-off power button, also your same button with long push for syncing. And bottom you have your volume button, down button, kind of hard to see here. Earlier I mentioned about charging. I didn't realize that there actually is a USB-C direct connect port here instead of using the cradle to charge up the headset. Let's go ahead and try it on for fitment. All right. Believe it or not, actually it fits better than my Plantronics does because the amount of wiggle room there is. I'm going to put my Plantronics on my right ear just for comparison. It doesn't quite fit in as snugly because you don't have the ability to adjust the earpiece, where this one you do, so it actually stays a lot better than the Plantronics. Let's try it out on the right ear. Again, it does fit quite nicely, but as mentioned, I'm just a left ear person versus the right ear. It does seem to fit real snug. Shaking it doesn't make it want to drop off. So far so good as far as fitment goes. All right, we're going to go ahead and use this Mac Airbook as our test connection. We'll take the dongle out, go ahead and plug it into USB port. And we have some flashing lights here on our unit. All right, it looks like it's synced because now it just has a steady flash. So this is for, right now I have it for left ear, and the actual earpiece does swivel probably about maybe 110 degrees or so. You can switch it over for right ear usage like that, and again you still have that little wiggle room there. I personally am a left ear person, so we'll be trying that out. So how's this sound listening to music or video? Watching one of our own videos right now, the sound is very clear. However, it does sound a little tinny. So let's go ahead and check out how music sounds. No affiliation to OMD, of course. It's one of my favorite bands. All right, music-wise, not bad at all. I mean, it's for a single ear headset. I can hear it clearly. Again, I probably would not use this for music. It does sound a little tinny to me when there's the music is playing. All right, you can also sync this up to your telephone. So we'll go ahead and just power the unit off. And we'll go ahead and hold it for long until it starts flashing. Typically, in my experience, Bluetooth usually flashes the blue color, but this one just does this rapid flash. So with your phone, do a scan. And this one actually was already added in earlier. You'll see A6L. Go ahead and connect that in there. And now we are connected. It shows battery life too. Same thing as earlier. Let's go to YouTube. Play some OMD. The audio on this is actually a lot better from the phone than it was with the laptop. The bass response is much deeper and richer. All in all, not a bad unit for syncing music to your phone. Hey folks, so I just got off a about 50-minute conference call via the computer using the headset. It did work very well. I had no problems hearing or losing connection. The other parties also heard me well during the whole almost 1 hour. I walked from my office to my kitchen probably about 45 feet or so. Never had any problems. I didn't go any further because it's like 50 something degrees outside. Plus, I'm on a call. All in all, I think this is actually a pretty decent product. There is some misleading information, like I said, from the ads of the actual talk time versus standby time. Only long-term use will prove out what it is. So I'll continue to use it in my conference calls and then provide feedback at that time. But right now, $40 is not bad to my Plantronics, was I think was $150. The biggest question here is definitely not the quality, but definitely the battery life longevity. My Plantronics units has been with me for 5 years, and I know exactly how long it lasts, how far I can walk. This one being new trial, let's just say only time will tell how it proves out to be. But right now, I would definitely get it for $40. Throw it in the backpack, call it a day. Use it on road trips or remote working areas. I've yet tried the noise cancellation that they mentioned. I'll have to try that one day at a restaurant or at a Starbucks or something. But yeah, all in all, not a bad product, especially for $40. If I were to lose a dongle, I wouldn't be upset. It's like I said, it's a good overall disposable unit if you end up losing it. So thumbs up to Ekvanbel for making this unit, and thanks for letting me review it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.